In this video we will focus on the installation of the MetaTrader 5 interface in Python. As you may remember, in the last video we did the basic installation of Python on our computer. Now we want to use that installation to also install the interface that connects Python to MetaTrader 5. This is actually quite simple, but before we start, there is one additional step. Python offers the possibility to use virtual environments. This may sound complicated, but it is easy to use. By using a virtual environment, problems that could arise due to different program versions can be avoided. To create such a virtual environment, we open the command line and enter a command that creates a new environment for us. I call my environment Mql5 Python. This command creates a folder with the specified name and a subfolder for scripts in it. One of these scripts is used to activate the virtual environment. After I have entered the appropriate command, we should see the name of our virtual environment in the command line. This means that everything we install now is isolated from the rest of the operating system. This helps to avoid conflicts that could arise from installing different versions. Now that our virtual environment has been created and activated, we come to the really interesting part, the installation of MetaTrader 5 with the package manager pip. Pip is used to install Python packages, and the Python interface for MetaTrader 5 is available as one of these packages. With the command pip install MetaTrader 5 we can install the Python interface for MetaTrader 5 on our computer in a few minutes. During the installation, various libraries should be downloaded and installed. This usually only takes a minute or two. You should then be able to use the command line prompt again. If all goes well, you can use pip show MetaTrader 5 to check which version has been installed on your computer. If you receive an output similar to the one shown here on the screen, then the installation was successful. Congratulations, you can now connect MetaTrader 5 and Python. We will use this connection in the next video. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.